Hey traders, Akil here. We just wrapped up Thursday's session in Live Room, and yes, we did get started with the Live Room a little early this year. Most of the real trading isn't going to start until around next Monday, next Tuesday, but figured we'd bring the members back a little early just to get back into, just to wipe the dust off, I guess you can say. Now, I also do a lot of posting for the syndicate, and if you're a higher time frame trader, it's a lot easier to get back into the groove because, well, if you're on an hourly chart or a 4 hour chart, you have a good, you know, hours to days before a pattern can complete. So you have a lot of time to do the analysis and really make sure that everything is correct. On the 5 minute charts, we don't have that luxury. 5 minute, 5 range, 15s. Things move quick, and we really have to be really sharp with our analysis and really sharp with our execution. So bringing the guys back 2-3 days earlier is a good warm up, I guess, for the real deal next week. With that being said, we're not just looking at targets, and we're not just looking at trades, not just looking at markets. We are taking trades, and today we had a very good day, taking 3 trades. One for break even on euro dollar, but here are the two that we did take. We took a cipher pattern on New Zealand dollar, 5 minute, and I deleted it looking at higher targets, but we're looking at X to A to B, B to C, C to D. And as always, we do our higher time frame analysis at the beginning of our session, and what we saw in the higher time frames made us want to shoot for advanced targets, meaning instead of using our normal 3-2 targets for target 1 and 618 for target 2, what I decided to do was we're going to shoot for 618 on target 1, and you can see advanced targets all the way down here for target 2, and that's based off higher time frame analysis. This also brought up a pretty good discussion in a live room about when to do this. How I talk to a lot of traders that just always shoot for advanced targets or always shoot for trailing targets, and that's not always the smartest decision. You want to make sure that you're not just doing it just to do it, but you're doing it in the right situation. Sometimes it's right to shoot for the advanced targets, when you can predict that price action will reach that level. Sometimes, and I would say the majority of the time, it's better to just get in and get out, get your profit, get off the table, and wait for the next move. But you can see we rolled over for target 1 on this already. We're about only 8 pips up now, coming back down, but we're shooting for some pretty big target 2s, looking at about 40 pips. So that'll be big, especially from a day trading standpoint. You can see it here again on our DSR level with a major and a minor lining up down at that area. Another nice winner on the range bar charts we had was euro yen. We had a euro yen Gartley pattern, which came down, basically hit our orders, kissed it, and spiked right back up for a very a non-pain trade. Now this one did hit target 1 and target 2. As always in the live room, I had my target 1 for these advanced patterns at the 618. And again, based off higher time frame analysis, I didn't want to shoot too high for target 2s. Looking at the overall trend on this market, it was pretty obviously that we're in a downtrend. Therefore, I don't want to be greedy and have target 2s up here, looking for the big 100 pip winner or whatnot. I don't want to do that. So I put target 2s right at our DSR level, right at a retest of our A leg. You can see the market came up there and nipped it, took my money off the board, and now we're retracing. Could we extend up and shoot 100 pips higher? Yes. Could we go down and get stopped out or come back down and retest this structure level? Yes. But you know what? It doesn't matter. I was smart with my money, smart with my trade. I got it off the board, and because of that, banked about 60 pips in the live room today. So tomorrow's non-farm payrolls, we'll get right back at it and see what happens. But just want to share with you guys what we had today, and it was a great way to start off the year. 2 for 2, picking up right where we left off last year. Take care, traders.